Good morning, everyone. This is Mahalakshmi. Today, we are going to see about some few points about soil pollution. Definition of soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals, pollutants, and contaminants in soil in high enough concentration to pose a risk of human health and or to the ecosystem. The concentration the contamination of soil with solid waste, acid rain, excess of fertilizer, insecticides and herbicides is called soil pollution. Causes of soil pollution: deforestation, acid rain, nuclear waste, mining and other industrial waste, electronic waste, polluted water absorbed by the soil. Types of soil pollution: biological agent, agricultural practices, radioactive pollutants, urban waste, industrial waste. This is the image of soil pollution. First, agricultural practices. Some of the agricultural practices leads to soil pollution. They are animal waste, use of long-lived pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, nematicides, etc. Fertilizers, some agricultural practices. Radioactive pollutant. The emission of energy from the radioactive substance in the environment. Radioactive substance such as radium, thorium, uranium, nitrogen, etc. can infertile the soil and create toxic effects. Urban waste. Urban waste consists of garbage and rubbish materials, drugged sludge and sewage from domestic and economic and commercial waste. Industrial waste. Steel, pesticides, textiles, drugs, glass, cement, petroleum, etc. are produced by paper mills or refiners, sugar factories, petroleum industries, and others such as. And disease caused by the soil pollution. Humans can be affected by soil pollution through the inhalation of gas emitted from the soil moving upward because of various human activities on the ground. Soil pollution may cause us a variety of health problems, starting with headache, fatigue, skin rash, eye irritation, and potentially resulting in more serious conditions like neuromuscular blockage, kidney and liver damage, and various forms of cancer. Examples of soil contaminants. There is a large variety of pollutants that could poison the soil. Example of the most common and problematic soil pollutant can be found below. Lead, mercury, arsenic, copper and zinc. How can we prevent soil pollution? Prevention of soil pollution can be done by use of manures instead of synthetic fertilizer, use of natural pesticides, avoid dumping of polythene and plastics in soil. Industrial waste should be treated before release in soil, reforestation, recycling and bioremediation, etc. World Soil Day WSD is held annually on 5th December as a mean to focus attention on the importance of the healthy soil. Keep soil alive, protect soil biodiversity. Thank you, ma'am.